पहला दिन, पहली शिफ्ट 21 तारीख, आज हम आ चुके हैं एग्जाम सेंटर पे, JEE मेन 2026 का पहला एग्जाम। थोड़ा टेंस माहौल हमारे आसपास भी है। भरोसा
भाई जितना दुख बच्चों के हो रहा होगा ना, उतना ही दुख हमें भी हो रहा है कि यार कैसा जाएगा बच्चों का पेपर। 10 मिनट है बस एग्ज़ाम ख़त्म होने में और हम इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं कि बच्चे निकले और हमें बताएं कि पेपर कैसा गया, क्या क्या आया था, कैसे आया था। तो सब कुछ जानने
सारी एक एक बात, एक एक खबर कैसी, क्या एग्ज़ाम से पैटर्न था, एग्ज़ाम टफ था, इजी था, मॉडरेट था, किस तरह का लेवल आ रहा है, सारी बातें हम आप तक पहुंचाते रहेंगे। तो लगातार बने रहे हमारे साथ और हम आप तक एक एक खबर पहुंचाते रहेंगे।
वैसे तो हम रोज़ नहीं रोज़ तो हम लोग आपको क्लास में मिल जाते हैं पढ़ाते हुए, बट आज हम संवाददाता बने हुए आपके लिए न्यूज़ रिपोर्टर।
मुंह से भी खबर ही निकल रहा है, खबर पहुंचा रहे हैं हम आप तक। तो जल्दी मिलते हैं।
हाँ मिलते हैं भाई।
व्हाट्स नेम?
Yogeshwari.
हाउ वाज द एग्जाम?
It was fine. Math was a little difficult, but physics and
As
chemistry-
usual, math was difficult.
As usual.
But as usual, physics was easy or tough?
Physics was pretty easy this time.
Pretty
yeah,
easy.
compared to like 20-25
Do you
people.
remember any questions or something?
Not really. Like I do remember a few from math, but like only the pattern, but not the exam.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So are you a dropper or are you appearing for?
I'm appearing for 12th.
Okay. So how was the level of chemistry?
Chemistry was moderate. Like it wasn't that bad. Like some questions were pretty easy, like solvable. But a few things were like a lot of calculations, but it was fine.
So physical had many calculation part.
Yeah, there were a few physical questions, and organic was also there.
And inorganic?
Inorganic was also. I mean, the weightage was pretty much like all the years how it was. That's why.
So, according to your expectations, how was the exam?
I expected it to be a little worse than what it actually is, but you know that's what usually happens.
Yes, exactly.
It was better.
It was better than what I expected, but definitely not what I thought 2 years ago when I was preparing. Obviously.
So when you started preparing 2 years ago, you thought of a very
IIT. Like 99 percentile ish, but you know, right now, you know, people give up.
Okay. So the maths was a bit lengthier side, you know.
Yeah, kind of. There like sequence and series. We had like binomial. There was one question, and yeah, it was fine.
And the physics, we are receiving mixed reactions. So it was easier for you.
Kind of like moderate. Like none of it was like easy.
Okay.
But there were hard questions. There were like easy questions.
Okay. So how much marks are you expecting?
I don't know. Like somewhat in the range of hundreds, not above 200s, but somewhat hundreds.
Okay, so you are well ahead of the crowd, and you are. I think you will get 97, 98 percentile easily.
No, I don't think so. I hope so, but I.
Okay.
All the best.
Okay, thank you. All the best.
so
Thank you.
much.
First of all, what's your name?
Kriti.
Okay. So how did the exam go in terms of toughness level?
Toughness, it was like maths was tough.
Okay.
Compared to physics and chemistry, math was so tough.
So for our viewers, she is a NEET aspirant, by the way, and she is giving JEE Main. So didn't you find maths a bit lengthy or on a trickier
Not
side?
lengthy. It was so tricky.
Okay, but it was tricky. And physics and chemistry?
Physics and chemistry, it was fine. Actually, compared to physics, chemistry was fine.
You solved PYQs, right?
Yeah.
Comparing to PYQs, how was it?
It was tough.
Tougher.
Okay,
Most of the, basically, physics were tougher, as students are saying.
Yeah.
And in chemistry, which section was the toughest?
B. Section B.
Section B was the toughest. And among physical, inorganic, and organic?
Inorganic was tough.
Inorganic was tough. Did you
Organic
memorize
was
the-
fine actually.
Okay. Did you memorize the reactions part of the inorganic?
Do you remember any questions from physics?
Physics, I don't remember. I left it there itself.
Okay.
Fine.
Thank you.
All the best.
It was okay, it's fine.
Okay, fine. Level, difficulty level?
It was better compared to the other PYQs.
Physics, chemistry, mathematics, what was tough?
Maths.
Maths was tough, as usual.
Yeah, and physics was moderate.
Physics was more. Chemistry?
And chemistry?
It was better than other two subjects.
Okay. So was maths lengthy?
No, it was tricky.
It was tricky.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
So, okay.
So what are you expecting from the exam? Okay, sure.
Thank you so much. What's this subject was tough? Like physics, chemistry, mathematics, which was tough?
Actually, I'm not JEE aspirant.
then?
I'm a NEET aspirant.
Oh,
then.
so you gave JEE also?
Yeah.
Okay. So how's the experience?
It was good. I didn't attend any because maths. Physics was okay. Chemistry was good.
So what do you expect from the paper? What was the overall difficulty level?
Medium.
You solved JPYQs previously.
Yeah. Some of them.
So comparing to the PYQs, how was it?
The first session would be easy, but this time it was not that easy, I guess.
Physics or chemistry? Which was not easy?
Physics.
Chemistry was a bit easier.
Yeah.
Okay. Physical, organic, inorganic, which was tough?
Physical.
Okay. All the best.
Okay. Thank you.
ओवरऑल फिजिक्स हमारा जो है अभी तक जितना हमें समझ आ रहा है थोड़ा सा टफ आया और
केमिस्ट्री इजियर साइड पे ही रही है।
Easier side पे रहा है और
सुनने में आ
maths-
रहा है कि फिजिकल थोड़ा सा टफ आया है,
हाँ।
बट देखते हैं अब और भी बच्चों का रिस्पांस लेते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है।
एग्जाम
Exam is moderate.
मॉडरेट
Not too hard, not that.
फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स व्हिच वाज टफ
I found chemistry easy,
ओके
but physics was a little tough for me.
कंपेयरिंग टू द प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स
Physics is always tough for me.
ओके सो
Mathematics.
हाउ वाज मैथ्स?
Math was moderate. Physics was hard, and math was like medium. Chemistry was easy.
So had you solved the PYQs of physics, chemistry, maths?
Yes.
So comparing to that level, was it comparable or was it tougher?
Comparable, but
Okay.
physics was
मैथ्स वाज लेंथी एज यूजुअल
yes.
Okay. But in the previous shift, we have seen that physics is a bit easier. This time, physics was tougher.
For me, it was.
Okay. So, and in chemistry, which section was the toughest?
B was tough.
Okay.
A was very easy.
Okay. Among physical, organic, inorganic?
Organic was easy.
Okay.
Inorganic, the numericals were a little bit time consuming.
Okay.
But like calculation, but it was fine.
Okay.
Not that bad.
Okay. Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.